Hey everybody, it's Neil and I just got back from skiing and this is something I sure could have used. It says best wishes, but these are portable hand warmers, portable warmer black. So they're gonna be black. So let's check this out. Let's open it up here and I'll show you guys what it comes with. So this, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have, everything out of the box. So I'll show you each of the items as we go through them. We have a USB to USB-C charger. We have an additional USB to USB-C charger. We have a little bag, and we have a manual. So let me just open up this manual here, see if there's anything I need to know. Probably not. But then we have here are the hand warmers. Ah, these are nice. They're like little magnetized ones. And this is kind of a nice format here, the way you can kind of put your hands around it so it'll heat up your fingers and stuff. So let's see if I turn them upside up here, you can see they can act as a power bank, so you could charge another device off of it in the USB port, and the USB-C port would be for charging. So let's see, so to turn them on, let's see, battery indicators when charging, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're supposed to charge it first, but you know, I don't want to do that, but let's see. Okay, so let's see if we push it on. There we go. So I pushed it on and you see there's a little red light. And so the little red light, a single red light means it's at low temperature. Actually, I feel it warming up already. Let's see if I push it again, I get a second red light, meaning we are at that's the middle temperature. And the third is at high temperature. Sorry, my dogs are nuts. But you can see this is it. So this is it, and it is heating up. I'm gonna stop this for a second and finish it in a second. I'm back, had a pizza delivery guy here. Holy cow, I guess I left these on when I went to go pick up my pizza, and now these are ridiculously hot. So let me see, if I push it again, it'll just go back to 1. But you guys can't see the heat on it, but wow, that is warm. And this would feel great, like in your pockets and stuff. You could just totally warm up your pockets. You could warm up anything. You could put them in your shoes before you wear them, and they would be nice and toasty. Put them on. Let me turn these off because it was just pretty hot. I have decent hands that can handle something like that, but man, those do get hot. So these are really cool. And I like the way they're like this. You can just stick them into a shoe or something to heat it up. You can just hold it in your hands. And then you can, like in here, like it shows, you can use it to charge your phone or anything else too with the extra little power. So carry these things. This would have been great when I was skiing, man, because the weight is really good and everything else. Totally could have used some hand warmers, but I'm gonna say these things are awesome. And charging them would just be here with the plug, but that's what it looks like. And you've got the 2 little wires to charge it. And that's it. There's not a whole lot of information on the box. It's a nice little box. It says best wishes on it. But these are cool. Thumbs up from me. Definitely pick some of these up. They're great.